Coming to you live from the Father's Day Car Show in Highland, Illinois. Just want to get on here and show you a few cars from today. First up, we got a beautiful 1957 Chevy. Love this orange. Beautiful. All right, we'll take you over here and kind of go down the row a little bit. And El Camino. $1960. And 327 Nova. Chevy 2. It's like a dual single. Let's see what year this one is. 1957, 1950 Chevy. And a beautiful 69 SS Chevelle. $427 on it. Seven check. 1931 Ford. Another Ford. 1931. Chevrolet Fleetline. Yeah, that's a Monaco 500. Dodge Monaco 500. Pretty cool.
And she's already blowing.
Got a beautiful pickup truck. Ford. Next to it, got a Galaxy 500.
Another little puppy. Are you a mini dog? Oh, yeah.
I in the house with the red stuff on the red stuff.
Look at that. That's real sharp. Small show here in Highland, Illinois. So it's been a lot more out here today, but the rain, potential for rain's keeping everybody away. Walk down this row and I'll go over here and show you some more cars. At the 57 Chevy. '69. Wow, 307. Wonder if that's still the 307 in it. Got a beautiful 69 Chevelle.
We want to spray some water.
My first car was a 69 Chevelle. Malibu.
Grab your attendance prize tickets. They
Beautiful blue.
Pink tickets, everybody.
69 Camaro.
Are you ready? Here we go. Pink tickets. If you got them, come on down. And while you're over here, check out our silent auction item.
Nice Ford.
I still
Got 67 Firebird for sale.
Oh, I saw a kettle car go by. Washing that kettle car, nobody in the house. I think it's 20,000 for that. Hey, you young lady. Hey,
400. I just heard a guy say this guy wants 20,000 for it. 4-speed. Beautiful car. So we're in Highland, Illinois at the Father's Day car show. Beautiful Pontiac here. Convertible. A Corvette.
makes it easier, like you were doing. Classics. Just don't fall off the truck.
L82.
You know what? You have 12 cupcakes. I don't think you need entirely that many. Hey,
It's that beautiful 67 Firebird again. Automatic.
oh, you brought the 396 SS out today. Looking good.
Very well kept. Look at that engine. Nice.
What are you four doing? You look like trouble. Did you win things first? Did you win cake, cookies, and
Camino. Looks like 72 also.
all right, ready, go.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Very nice. Now we'll see you when you get back. You're going to do Happy Mother's Day. Now what? We work.
Beautiful blue.
Okay.
Clean that engine, these guys.
Did you? Try it? Did you? All right. Well, don't get ran over by that.
Galaxy 500.
The fireworks are in the house.
Beautiful. Well, this is a 482 based on a 427 FE block. A Charger.
Did you teach her to take the long way around or what? Are you going to say Happy Father's Day, Dad, when you do that? Okay. Oh, there you go.
So again, we're in Highland, Illinois at the Father's Day car show. And there would have been more people here today, but the rain is keeping them away.
Similarities.
1955 Chevy,
Oh, yeah.
1956.
Yeah. Well, actually, my car. And
A beautiful blue Camaro.
have it all the time.
Yeah. I bought it, had 53,000 miles on it last week.
Oh man.
66 now. I go to it every day. 2 days.
That's awesome.
Another Charger.
Ran it.
383.
Fantastic. And about 1985, 1996 drinks.
Let's go over and look at this 1970 Chevelle. Beautiful blue 396 Chevelle.
Go down fast.
4-speed.
Is that little one still?
And another beautiful Firebird down here.
Now at least you know you make all the noise you want around the house, and the baby is not going away from.
This one has a 400 also. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Once again, I'm at the Highland Car Show, Father's Day Car Show in Highland, Illinois. Thank you for watching.